Deciphering the phrase, pie pan. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase that might sound confusing at first glance. Have you ever come across the words, pie pan? If you're scratching your head, wondering what it means or why pies would need a pan, then you're in the right place. First things first, let's break down the individual words. A pie is a baked dish which is usually made of a pastry dough casing that contains a filling of various sweet or savory ingredients. Think of apple pie, chicken pot pie, or pumpkin pie. Pies can be a dessert, a main course, or even a side dish. Now, a pan is a typically broad, flat, and shallow container, especially one used for cooking. Pans are made from materials like metal or ceramic and are crucial in the kitchen. They come in various sizes and shapes depending on their specific purpose. When you combine these two words, pie pan, it refers to a specialized pan used to bake pies. The shape of a pie pan is usually round with slightly sloped sides to accommodate the shape of a traditional pie. These pans ensure that the pie bakes evenly and helps to form the crust. The next time you're baking or enjoying a pie, take a moment to appreciate the pie pan that made it all possible. In the English language, understanding the individual words can give you a clue, but the true meaning often comes from the context in which the words are used. In the case of pie pan, knowing what both a pie and a pan are can lead you to deduce its meaning. However, always remember to consider the context to ensure your understanding is accurate. And there you have it. We've just uncovered the mystery behind the phrase, pie pan. English is full of such phrases, where individual words come together to paint a bigger picture. I hope you found this explainer video enlightening. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always stay curious.